Hello guys, as I promised you 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago, I do a video about Gamestop. So today I will try to a very detailed video about the history, about the fundamentals, about Wall Street short sellers and day traders. I will speak about the Reddit group and other stuff. Okay, so guys, before we begin, please, those who did not subscribe to my channel, please subscribe to get like these videos. And remember that always at 10 o'clock on Sunday nights EST, it means Eastern time, I will be having a live where we can discuss things, and if you have questions you can come and you are welcome. Okay, so right now, what is this GameStop? Now GameStop is just a video game retailer. It has more than 5,000 stores, and you know, it is one of the biggest retailers of video games in the world. And you know, since 2010 there are problems that face this company. Is just because there is a shift in online sales, and this company did not do good and did not put efforts to put its products online, like Amazon, like the other stuff. So they have problems. So the first thing we begin with is we speak about revenue of this company since 1998 till 2020. Okay, so stay tuned. Now let's see GameStop revenue. Now this is if you want to know how this company is doing in business. So these are the revenue from January 31st 1998. Okay, as you can see, the revenue, it's going up from 383 million dollars. It's going up to reach 1 billion in 2002. Then it's going up until it reach $9 billion a year, which is in this year, which is 2010. So it's, as if you want to show me the trend, it's doing like this. Okay, it's going up, it's good, it's making a lot of money, and it stops here. So it stops at $9 billion a year, which is the highest reached in 2010. Now what did happen after 2010? Okay, now here we put the resistance line, which is the highest, and then after 2 years, like let's say 2011 and 12, it's going a little bit up from 9 billion 07, 9 billion 47 million, 9 billion 55. So it's doing like this. So the stock is the same. Okay, it doesn't make any big movement. And then here it's going up a little bit, and then it's going down here in 2013. Okay, it goes down a little bit here. Let's say it goes down here, and then it goes up for 3 years. For 3 years here, 3 years to 9 billion. Okay, so it's going up again, reaching the 9,000. Okay, like this, reaching the highest. So this is the 3 years from 2014, 15, and 16. Now what did happen in 2017? This one, 2017, it goes down from 9 billion 36 million to 7. So we expect like this, okay? We expect it like this. And then, because it's going down, so this year, which is 2017 here, if you can see, 2017, and then 2018, 19, it goes to here, it goes up here to 8 billion. Here, this too, it goes to 8 billion. Again, it goes up, but it didn't reach 9. So here it's 9 billion. This line, 9 billion. This is the blue line. So it didn't reach 9 billion. But what did happen? What did happen in this year? It means last year, it means 2020, because now we're at 2021. So what did happen? So what did happen is that from 8, it goes to, as I told you, to 7, and it goes to 8, and then from 8 it goes to 6. Okay, we are here right now in 2020. Now, the bigger question, if we want to put a line where the price stops, it means where the earnings stops, it stops at 6 billion 466 million dollars. This is the revenue in 2020, last year. Now, the big question that you should ask is, what about 2021? This is the big thing. Now, understand that Gamestop last year, they say they will close 1,000 stores. So if they do this, they say until March. I think they began doing this until March 2021. So is this company going to bankruptcy? Okay, is it going to bankruptcy? Yes or no? So this is about the fundamentals that we speak this week about. Okay. Now let's go to the second part, which is about news. How the news in the stock market can shape the stock price, either up or down. So stay tuned. Now, let's see the news effects on Gamestop stock price from 2019 to 2021 in January and February. Now, as you can see, when you see this, there is a surge in the green candlesticks, but they are very, very small. But it doesn't mean that they are very small. They go little, but sometimes they double. Okay, so I will just try to show you some events that makes this manipulation. Now, the first happen is with our Wall Street bets in Reddit. Okay, this is just a group. They are always speaking about trading and opportunities and investing opportunities. So in September 2019, they bought GameStop, thinking that this company will do better in the future. Okay, this is the month. So this is a monthly chart. It means whatever candlestick you see, it's a month. Then there are other people who are asking to buy this GameStop, the same as, okay, it's going up, until we see a guy who is called Ryan Cohen, a co-founder of Chewy.com. He buys 9% stake in GameStop. This happened in September 2020, okay? And the stock here, it doubled. It doubled. If you are interested, you can check the chart for details, just to check the difference between August 2020 and September 2020. You see that the stock has been doubled. Now, this Ryan Cohen in December 2020, it means last year in December, before coming 2021, he says that he buys more, okay, and the stock goes more. Now, what did happen in January? Elon Musk, who is the CEO of Tesla, tweets Gamestop. So, as you can see, the stock has soared and it goes so high that a lot of people, especially those who bought options, and they become millionaires. This is true, and it happened. Now, this is January, as we can see, January 2001. This is January, as you can see. It means just this January, and you see that candlestick, how big it is. See here, it's 46, but see here, this one, it's going to I think 448 or so. Okay, and then Wall Street short sellers come and hit the GameStop, and as you can see, the price here from 300 to 350, it's going down to 46. Okay, so this is all about what did happen in the thing. You know, there are small news, I don't want to mention them, but this is the major news that make this manipulation work. Now, after all this manipulation that you have seen in this stock, so we try to see the reactions of some government and other brokers, so stay tuned. Now, let's see some reactions on GameStop stock price. So, what did happen after that? After this big movement into the price surge, going up and going down. So, in January 27, as you can see, on the same day, Nasdaq momentarily halts trading on GameStop, AMC Entertainment, and fashion retailer Express after trading reaches a level of extreme volatility. Okay, so it means that Nasdaq sees that this is not really normal, because it continues to go up, to go down, and the price of this stock has surged too much up and down. So they try to stop some kind of trading for these stocks, which is GameStop and the AMC Entertainment Fashion. Now, on the 27th January 2021 at 1 o'clock, TD Ameritrade, which is a broker, sent this statement to USA Today. In the interest of mitigating risk for our company and clients, we have put in place several restrictions on some transactions in GME, AMC, and other securities. But, here we are speaking about GME only. I'm not speaking about AMC or other securities, but this is what interests us, which is GameStop. Said the company, we made these decisions out of the abundance of caution amid unprecedented market conditions and other factors. Now, here they don't say that there is manipulation clearly, but they say market conditions and other factors, Now, the most important one is the Security Exchange Commission on the January 27 at 5 p.m. issues a statement saying, we are aware of and actively monitoring the ongoing market volatility in the options and equities markets, and consistent with our mission to protect investors, because here, you understand that if the investors or traders, they send complaints against brokers or against anyone, it will be something very, very important, and the Security Exchange Commission will interfere and make the rule. Okay, to maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets. Now, what they mean there, what they mean by maintain fair, orderly, and efficient markets, it means they see if this trading is normal, it's not manipulation. Okay, because in manipulation, some they make money and others they lose money, so they don't want to have complaints. We are working with our fellow regulators to assess the situation and review the activities of regulated entities. It means the exchanges or the brokers, financial intermediaries, these are the brokers, regulated entities like the FINRA, like the other institutions, and other market participants. It could be anyone. Now, in January 28 at 9:56 a.m., Robinhood says they are restricting transactions for certain securities to position closing only, including AMC and GME. Okay? So, what they are saying that we can let people sell, but no buying. And this is something that that no one accepts. You know, in trading, you like to buy something, no one will stop you. So, but this Robinhood try to restrict, because you know Robinhood, it's just an app, it's a broker, it's very famous, and a lot of people they use it, especially those young guys who are just having their Robinhood. They get news, I say buy this, sell this. Okay, so there is restrictions. Now, in January 28, 2021, 11/28, Webull restricts activity on GME, AME, and COS. So, Webull, it's like Robinhood. It's an app, it's a broker, and they do the same. Okay, they restrict activity. It means they will not let, for example, people buying certain kind of stocks. But it's not all the stocks, only the stocks that they see a big surge in price, either up or down. The last thing I want to tell that in January 28, 2021, class action suit against Robinhood has been filed. Maybe other class action suits will be filed against other brokers. Maybe Webull, Robinhood, Amitrade, like this Timmy Amitrade, or other things, because they stop people from buying or selling, and this is something which is dangerous. Okay, which is dangerous, and I will show you from the chart what did happen. At least you will see that it's very, very dangerous for some traders or investors. Now we try to see what Wall Street day traders do to a stock. Understand that a lot of people, they don't understand when we say Wall Street. They think they are just hedge funds or big traders, and they are always selling short, which is not true. Okay, a day trader has two actions to do. Either he buys long in the day and sells at the end of the day. It could be in the morning, it could be in the afternoon, it could be during any part of the day. But he will not hold shares after the end finish at 8 p.m. in the same day. They don't hold what we call shares. Okay, because when you hold shares, there is a big risk for tomorrow. You will never know what will happen tomorrow. So they want to control, and they can sell short. They can sell short stocks according to news or according to what they see, which is good for them. Okay, so stay tuned. I will explain into detail. So now I will try to explain and to answer this question, what Wall Street day traders do to a stock. Now understand, when we say Wall Street, first they are day traders. Here I'm speaking about day traders. I'm not speaking about the people who are doing swing trading or so. Day traders. Now you should understand, before we go ahead, you should understand what does it mean, day trader. A day trader is a trader who buys and sells in the same day. Okay? So let me just give you an idea. I know most of you guys who are following me for many years, you know the day, but I'm just explaining for those who don't know. Okay, now the people know that the market, the real market, because at 9:30 a.m. and this is what we call the open the market. It opens at 9:30 a.m. EST and it finishes at 4 p.m. and this is called the close. So this is, but understand that the market, real market, begins at 4 a.m. There are some people who you can buy, you can sell from 4 a.m. Okay, from 4 a.m. to 9:30, and this is called pre-market or before hours. Okay, so it has two names, either pre-market or they call it before hours. Before hours, it means the hours of trading. This is the name. Now from 9:30 to 4 p.m. this is the trading day, the normal trading day. You find millions of traders here. Okay, now at 4 p.m. most of the guys who are general, most of them, they stop trading, but there is another trading from 4 to 8 p.m. Okay, and this is the close, and all these from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. this is what the day traders work. It means the day traders, Wall Street day traders, they can begin at 4 and they begin to work until 8 p.m. It means they work wherever is good for them. Now, when we say Wall Street, it means those guys who have billions of dollars in their hands, so they can do whatever they want in the market, and they move the market the way they want. Okay? And if you go against them, they crush you. Whatever you are. Okay? And whoever you are, because they have more money than anyone else, and they work together. So I don't know for a conspiracy or something like that, but it is these people, they do whatever they want. Now, in the case of GME, you see this chart. These are the days. Now you see here, for example, this here, you see a gap up. Now a gap up, it means from here, this is the close of this day here, the close, and this is the open. So this close, it means here at 4 p.m. It means they have 4 hours of play. 4 hours, what they do, they can buy the stock. Now when they buy and the stock begins to go up, you have what? You have millions of traders in the world. They come and they buy also. Now why? Because a lot of people are, especially when there are news, especially when there is a news, either good news or bad news, I will tell you. Okay? So in this case here, it's good news because the stock goes up. Now when they buy at 4 p.m. or 5 and they close at 8, now all what they buy, they sell at the end. So they buy and they sell. Now why the price in the morning here from AM to 9:30 p.m. there are other people, maybe day traders, also the same day traders, they continue to buy and let other people buy, and they sell before 9:30. They can continue or they can sell. So when they make money, they should make money because of the millions of the other guys who buy. Because if they buy by themselves and they don't sell, it's only their money that pushes the stock up. So when they sell, the stock will go down. So they will, in general, if you calculate it, they will not make money. But how does Wall Street make money? Make money for the news, because they know millions of day traders in the world, or swing traders or whatever, they come in these hours and they buy the same. But these guys initiate the gap up. They initiate it. It means, let's say the stock here is 100. They will begin to buy from 100 to 120 and leave the other people who are carried by news, good news. They continue to buy. Let's say it reach 500 at 8 p.m. Okay? Before it reach 400, the Wall Street guys are selling. It means they have no shares. Okay? At 8 p.m. It means they have no risk anymore. It means they don't hold for the night. And be careful, guys. Wall Street day traders, they don't hold the night. But other people who buys, they expect more and they are more greedy. So they stay to the next day, and then sometimes the stock goes up good and they make more money. But Wall Street, they don't do that. Okay? They are professional. They know what they are doing. Everything is calculated. They control the way the stock moves. Okay? That's why they stay all these 200 years in the market. Okay? Now, the opposite happens in the gap down. You see here there is a gap down. Now, who initiates this gap down? Is the same. It's Wall Street day traders. Now, when they selling short here during the day, okay, either they continue selling short after the market close, they sell until 8 o'clock, from 4 to 8 o'clock. Okay? And they buy back. It means they exit the trade. It means they stay only the whole day. From the morning to the afternoon, it could be from even pre-market, they begin to sell short because the stock was here. Now this period here from, let's say, I'm just giving you an example. Let's say the close here of this day is $400. Okay? At 4 p.m., they begin going, initiate, it becomes, let's say, $300. So they sell short and they buy back. It means they exit the trade with a profit. Now, in the next day, in the morning, they can begin selling short also, which is a new trade. It's a new day, it's a new trade. They sell short, the stock goes down more. And during the day, they continue to sell short. Other people, they come. Because these millions of traders, day traders, they do the same as Wall Street. It means they help them make money. And they make money also, okay? If they follow the big... It's like a big fish and small fish. All they eat. But the bigger one kills the big whale or something like that, and the small fish, they come and to get the feast also. Okay? But the big guys eat more. Okay? So the whole day they are selling short, and they buy back here, and then the third day here, or the second day, from 4 to 8, they continue to sell short. They continue to sell short in this day here. It's the same day, and they buy back at the end of the day. The next morning, you will have the gap up, and then they continue to sell short, and then they buy back. And most of the time, you will see the buyback is by this small tick here, or this small symbol. You see that they are buying back. It means when they buy back, it means they exit the trade. So understand that Wall Street are not stupid people to hold the position to next day, because the next day anything can happen. Someone like a hedge fund, like a mutual fund, they want to buy on the day, and by accident he is buying too much, and Wall Street will lose, because these mutual funds, they have billions of dollars to buy, so it will be another power. So they want to do these things by themselves. Okay? Now, I hope you understand that Wall Street guys, they are not stupid people. The thing is, you can see the stock here, how much it is the high of this day. Now look from here to here. What is the price now? Okay? Here you could understand that these guys are the same guys who push the stock up with the news and with other guys, and they put it down also. But they work day by day. They don't just buy and hold. Now, these are for beginners and for the people who expect that there is a big trend. They buy, they hold. But the day traders are day traders. It means they buy in the same day and they sell in the same day. Okay? Hope this lesson you understand how this thing is carried out. Now, I will explain what is manipulation and what is not. Okay? Because not every stock, when there is a surge in the price, either up or down, like earning news or any kind of news, we try to see what is really a manipulation and what is not in the stock market. So stay tuned. Well, now I will try to explain to you what is stock manipulation and what it is not. Okay, just to understand. Now we take this example, okay, which stock which is called Reto, R-E-T-O. I think it's a Chinese company, and you see here, this is Friday, last Friday. So the stock was at $1.18. It means 19 February 2021. Now, today, which is Monday, as you can see, the stock goes from $1.18, it goes to $3.66. It means there is an 98.31% gap up. It means it doubled. Now, is this manipulation or it is what? Okay? Now, this, for me, it is not manipulation. Now, it has to do with the news. Okay? So, like earning news, like some kind of news, like FDA approval for drug companies, like any kind of news, it can make the stock go up or go down. Okay? So, this is normal. Now, so what is this stock manipulation that they speak about? What is it? Now, if here what we mean by manipulation. Manipulation, it means one guy, okay, and he has here a group of people, okay, and this guy asks them what to buy, okay, according to his opinion. But the thing is, this guy, what does he do that makes the stock manipulation? Is that this guy buys before his friends, okay? Especially most of the time this happens in penny stocks. That's why you see a lot of people, they make money, yes. Some people, they lose money, yes. But the only one who makes a lot is this guy. So he is a manipulator, okay? And this guy, he can even buy not shares of the stock, but he can buy, for example, options, okay? And this, he will make millions of dollars in even few days. And this is what happened to GameStop. GameStop, there is one, I think he published this, that he bought 1,250 option calls, okay? When he heard the news that Reddit tweets and the other stuff that they ask them to buy. Now, instead of buying shares of a stock, which is more expensive, he buys only option calls. It could be even out of the money or so. And then from this 1,250, I think he get $950,000 in 1 day or 2 or 3. So this is the kind of manipulation I'm speaking about. But the manipulation is done by the person. It's not a news. It's not normal news. It's not a company that gives a news and the people they buy. This is normal, and it happens always. And most of this manipulation works better in penny stocks. Now, why penny stocks? Just to understand why always you see penny stocks that are going so high and it goes so down, okay? So why is that? Let's say the stock is $1. Now you see the volume. The volume is, for example, 5K. It means 5,000 shares traded a day. So this stock is a very, very low volume. This is 1 day. The second day, there comes a guy who tells them that this company, he gives them whatever he wants to give them. Any stupid fundamental that he wants to share. That this stock will become like Tesla. It does this and this. In the future, it will become like this. And he gives them some information. He gives them. I see even some people, they do debates and they ask questions to the CEO. This company is not making any money. Let's say this company is making $1 million a year. It means it's a very, very, very tiny company. No one will come to this company and invest in it because it's so small. And the future is not, this company is not stable. It doesn't make money. So this guy here comes and said that this company, he gives what we call fundamentals. You find in YouTube, you find a lot of people are claiming that this company will be doing better and better and better. Now, whenever he announces these fundamentals, the day, you see that few days, if his followers, 100,000, 200,000, 1 million, 2 million, like Reddit, they say they have someone, this group has 8 million subscriber. If you have 8 million subscriber and you come to a stock that it is $1, and the volume is 5k, what will happen tomorrow if they follow you? What will happen? This $1, for example, goes to $10. Okay, $10. So it is tenfold. It means you make 1,000%. Now you make 1,000%. So this guy, since he buys the first and then he announces, he is making 1,000. So if he buys, for example, options calls, he will make not 1,000%, but he can make 10,000% or 20,000% of his money. He put like the other guys that I showed you. Okay? See, so it's a lot of money. So this guy is a manipulator. Okay? And this is considered not good in the stock market because he manipulates the trading. Normal trading works generally with the news, with whatever. This is normal. But when someone just bring a company like this and he speaks about fundamentals and he say, oh, this is my opinion, but if he has followers like 8 million or 1 million, the stock will surge and it will have a gap up. Now, this is good since the stock, you will see that's why, like this, you will see a candlestick like this, and you will see a candlestick here, small, it is $1, and then you see here $10 next day. But the problem is that since this, it is just fake, it is just fake, it is not real. The company does not change in one day from $1 to 10k in real. In the economy, the company did not make from 1 million, it goes to $10 million in one year, like in earnings. No, it didn't make any money. It's just one day. Okay, so the stock will go down in the few days like this, and then after a few days, you will find that the stock is $1 as it is. You will see this a lot. And you will see $1, $1.95. So you will see manipulation like this. And you see it a lot in penny stocks. Okay? So this is what we call the manipulation. A manipulation is when he manipulates the stock using his followers. And it has happened in the past. It is happening now, like with Gamestop. And it will happen in the future. So no one will stop these guys from doing so, because sometimes it is hidden, sometimes it is known. Even GameStop, we know the people who push this stock, you see them. But this Security Exchange Commission, since it is done only once, and they not trying to make problems. But whenever people who are buying at 10 o'clock and they lose money, and they lose a lot of money, for example, someone put $10,000 or he put $100,000, he's thinking that from $10 it can go to $20, and then the next day he finds that he has lost 90% of his money. He will be so mad that maybe he file a class suit against this person. It means he sued this person, or he sued the company, or he sued the guy who has done this thing. So, and here it creates problems, and this Security Exchange Commission comes to solve this problem. So, understand this Security Exchange Commission, they don't want manipulation in the market. They want a fair market where everybody trades. You can use the news, you can use rumors, you can use anything. But when there is someone asking people to buy, this is the problem. Okay, it's not a problem of news, or because the news comes every day and stocks go up and down. Okay, so hope you understand this idea of manipulation. I think at the end of this video you have understood everything about what we call a manipulation, what is manipulation and what is not, and understand that these things happen every day. But since the people, they don't know, they don't follow penny, especially penny stocks, we have a lot of manipulation, and there are a lot of people manipulating the stocks, and they don't trade as normal as you might think. That's why a lot of people, they can make money, but there are a lot of people who lose a lot of money, and if you don't know what you are doing, you will have always a problem. Okay, so thank you very much. Please comment and share my video with your friends or in Facebook or other things. And if you did not subscribe, please subscribe to my channel to get more like these videos. Thank you very much, and see you in next video.